Hey guys, Flyboy Airsoft here, the pilot that likes to airsoft. I'm here with my first video. I'd like to thank y'all for watching my video. And today we are at Flat Acre Farms in Parker, Colorado. I was able to use the prototype EPM mags by Odin Innovations. These mags are very good. They feed flawlessly and I had no issues. In this video I am using my run cam and the cap was on it, so at about 6 minutes and 50 seconds into my video the cap fell off and I lost the cap, but that allowed for the footage for me to show some footage for y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and skip to that and I hope you guys enjoy.
Oh, damn. Why is this mag not full?
Team has 3 gold nuggets.
Hit. Something wrong with this motor. That's a good game.
You guys take the trailer?
So this was the last game of the day and it was almost over. These kids were, I don't know what they were doing, but they were just being kids. They were dancing around thinking that we couldn't hit them and all, but as you'll find out later in the video, we were definitely able to hit them. But yeah, I'm not gonna show the run cam footage because they're literally just putting their guns up and dancing like they're playing dodgeball or something.
teammate.
Alrighty guys, that's gonna be it for this video. It was fun playing today, and we absolutely destroyed them in this. Partly because we had more like experience, I guess. They had more kids on their team. They had some experienced players, but they had a lot of kids. They had more players for that matter, but that allowed me to have more targets, which was good. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe if you would like. This is my first video, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Take it easy.